All right, guys, where are we going?
To a house. Yeah.
We're going to deliver presents, right?
Yeah.
Deliver presents.
Wait, buddy, we're going to get your shoes on. Because the people that they don't have any money and they don't have a lot of food, so we're going to give them some food and we're going to give them some presents.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah. Have any
This is our favorite part of Christmas, isn't it? So you see us on TV, or you see us, doing our shows, or you see us, at our home flipping workshop or that kind of stuff. There's a lot more to it than just making money. Matter of fact, that's probably the least, although that's what people are most attracted to, that's the least exciting part for us. Yes, it's great, but it's about the lifestyle it creates, about the ability to be able to give back and do these kind of fun things on Christmas or all year round. We just made a large donation to the Ronald McDonald House yesterday. We just made a significant investment to them. Plus, we make it every time someone comes to our workshops. Plus, every time we buy a house throughout the year with our home flipping company, we actually make a donation to a charity called Things of My Very Own. Every time we buy a house, every month we send them a check based on how many houses we purchased that month. For me, it's 33 years in a row. For you, it must be 14?
Yeah, something like that.
13, 14 years now. So
I just fed the kids before we left the house, and getting food in our 7-year-old this morning was a challenge. And so I had the conversation with them about how these people don't even have food. Like that was on their wish list is food. And so, I just kind of remind you how much we have to be grateful for, because we want them to understand, we live in our own reality and our kids live in their own reality. So if they're never exposed to different cultures and different, that's why we love to travel and take them places so they can see other cultures and how other people live, because I think it's really important just as a human being to understand all the different aspects of people's lives, to be empathetic and understanding. And so that's why we want to make them as big of a part of it as we can, so that they can see that they have a lot to be grateful for too, and that they can make a difference in the world and be contributing members of society.
Once we have that experience, it changes everything. Always has grounded me every year. It's one of the many things that I think keeps us humble. Much I joke around a lot, deep down I'm humble about all this stuff, because there's a lot of people that just don't have
that one year
anything.
We gave the woman on her wish list was toilet paper, and she sat and cried for an hour hugging toilet paper, because there's people that are going through trash bins and using newspaper. I mean, these are the kind of things that we take for granted.
We don't have our family shopping. Normally our whole family goes with us and shops all day, but we knew our little kids would be in Walmart and they'd be grabbing everything they could get their hands on. They'd be touching everything and touching their mouths. We've been pretty good about keeping them home, so we wanted to do it this way. So the older ones are staying home watching the kids. We're going to go out and power shop and do what we got to do. It'll take us a good couple hours, and then we're going to go back and pick up our family and go off and
Deliver some presents.
take our sleigh and make a family of 6 people. There's 2 adults and 4 kids. So it should make them really happy and hopefully change their life and change the way they might view Christmas. All right, it took us close to an hour to get here because traffic is horrible today on Christmas Eve, but we are putting our masks on into Walmart. Oh, we go. And gonna load up what we gotta load up on, so off we go. All right, so we're gonna divide and conquer in here. I have a list and Amber has a list.
We've checked it twice.
So one of the requests we had was for remote learning. They wanna have microphones or headphones with microphones. So I'm gonna get some help from somebody here, see if I can't find those for them. All right, so I'm looking for that stuff now. I'm gonna keep on looking. Just had a guy from Walmart really helpful getting us through this, so here we go. Here comes Amber. Look at that. Look at that cart of food, baby.
They should have the goods now. They'll have a good Christmas.
All right, I'm getting all the toys put together. I got the people at Walmart working with us now. They're out looking for the gifts for us. I kind of let them in on what we're doing, and they're all running around helping us find what we got to find here to keep filling up their Christmas hearts. All right, we're gonna keep looking. So I'm looking for movies for them right now, and I figure I better get him this one because that was always Amber's favorite. I can't imagine why. She's killing me. I really better start working out or something, you know what I mean? All right. All right, so I know you moms are gonna cringe out there, but I tell you something. If you got siblings in the house, they gotta shoot each other, right? So we got to get a couple of those. We got a shopping cart. We need a shopping cart, so we got a nice stylish one to go there. We got the dolls. Lots of stuff brewing here. It's shaping up to be a pretty awesome Christmas. We're like, is it ready to go now? So we'll do 2 orders. We'll do 2 orders then, right? Yeah. All right. So this is the first one and the second one. Here we go. All right. So first order done. Then we'll just put the rest in the next order.
Yes, sir.
We exceeded the maximum items.
Yeah.
All right. That's a good thing. All right. So the second order. That's all. The second order. Mm-hmm. All right.
Watch it get declined because we did too many purchases.
We've got 2 cartloads of stuff, plus a $250 gift card to Walmart to come back and get some clothes. Plus, we have we're going to be sending them a $200 CDTA gift card. I guess that's how they travel. So it's a local bus around here, unlocked. And now we go back and get our entire family, plop them in the car,
Load them up
and head them out. So here we go. We're loading up. I'll hold the camera while I direct Amber what to do. Honey, put that bag. I better go help Amber. So we've been doing this for many years. Which ones stick out the most to you? You've been doing it the longest with me. Which ones stick out the most? Which experiences over the years?
The one where we drove probably an hour with all the sensory toys a few years back.
Oh, they had to have all the special sensory toys we got.
Yeah, that was all the
Yes.
theme of all the toys. And I like,
Oh, yeah.
I like doing that one.
You know what I remember the most with you?
What?
Was your first one. You were about 7 years old, went to a battered woman shelter, and I got the woman all decked out. She was going to school, and I got her all kinds of supplies and clothes and stuff for school, and you passed a little boy about your age a soccer ball. All right, cool. Well, good experience over there. Good Schworm experience, right?
Oh, we did.
All right, Pate, you ready?
Right behind you.
Oh, hi. That's Peyton. Over all the years, what's your favorite one you remember?
We went to the Ronald McDonald house.
Oh, we brought him to that family, right? They're from out of the country. Cooked breakfast for him. Yeah, we cooked breakfast for him, and then we brought him a whole bunch of presents. And he said thank you to us in English. Yeah, remember that?
I do remember
That was pretty coul. Well, now we're off to do it again. The Schworm family tradition. Look at, we got a whole cart. Look at that. Look, Cruz. Where's Dakota? Oh, Dakota's right there. All right, so our son's gonna follow us in his car. Ready to roll. All right. All right, we are traveling to our destination here. We've never been here before. We don't stay. The routine is we don't stay here, but we won't go with COVID. We'll just kind of run up to the door and drop things off, and they'll come out. And I just texted them to make sure we're there. I did have their number, so.
How many kids are there?
There's 4 kids. I have a list.
Yeah.
What was
I
it?
think it was 7, 13, 17, and 22.
Okay.
I think.
Well, it's right here. I'm gonna park on this side. I'm gonna pull up behind. You want us to put it inside or on the porch?
That's on the porch, that's fine.
We have a lot. Okay? All right, good. Appreciate it. Oh, thanks, buddy. You guys are ready for Christmas now. Again?
Merry Christmas!
All right, guys. Another one in the books. They seem a little excited, huh?
Yeah, they were a little overwhelmed, I think.
Yeah, I think we overwhelmed them. I think they were expecting 1 or 2 things, and we showed up with a whole ton.
An entire trunk full.
That was pretty awesome. Hey, I was really proud of you guys all carrying some up those stairs. That was
Yep.
pretty good. You guys did that. Cruz, you did good carrying those big bags up there, buddy.
It's fun being Santa Claus, isn't
Give me
it?
some, buddy.
Oh yeah, the kissy face.
Well, today was a long day, but we accomplished something pretty good.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy busy out.
It is a lot of people out for being during the pandemic. It's
Yeah.
crazy busy right now, but that was a great experience today.
It was.
The dad, though, at the end, I don't know if you saw him, he gave me an elbow bump.
Yeah.
He looked out, I said, here's your $200 for CDTA at the bus. He went, oh wow. And I said, here's $250 to Walmart on top of all the things we just gave them. And he went, wow, okay. And then the mom came to the door. You see her?
Thank you, yeah.
She said thank you several times. It turns out our nanny apparently went to school with that one girl. So
Really?
Yes.
I didn't hear her say that.
Yes. She said, I know you.
I think they were very appreciative of what they got, and I think they'll be eating well for a while.
33 years now in the books, and I've been doing about, I think around 15 of them with you?
Something like that.
15 of them with you, and I think for us, it's been an amazing Schworm family journey.
It fills up my heart for sure.
It
Like
does.
to me, this is my favorite part of Christmas
Mine
is
too.
giving to people that don't expect it, and they want instead of, I mean, would it be nice if everybody just wanted things and didn't need anything? Sure, but that's not the world we live in. There are people that need necessities. You've done a good thing, babe.
Nah, we've done a good thing, so pretty cool. Merry Christmas, all. Hope you had a great Christmas season.